Hello my dear students of Beacon High School. As in previous video, we have learned how to draw mandala art in a pencil. Today, we will learn how to color mandala art in monochromatic color scheme. Monocolor scheme means a work or a painting colored by any one color. So for that, we need material. The work which we have done with the pencil, a pointed permanent marker, a pointed brush, poster black color or acrylic black color, eraser, a bowl with a water, a rough cloth. Now let's start the work. Now see here, we have done all this work with pencil, and after completing with pencil we are going to do with a pointed marker or with a pointed ball pen. After completing that one, we are going to erase all the pencil work whatever we can see. So slowly you are going to use eraser, because on this one we are going to use poster color or acrylic color. If you are using eraser tightly, the color will spread. So be slow while erasing the work. Now we will take a pointed brush of 1 number or 0 number, and then we will start coloring. Now see here, while coloring you have to pay your attention that one design it will be black and one we are going to keep as it is. So I will show you one pattern and other you are going to do completely the same way. Now see here, from upside down we are going to start coloring. Anytime whenever your work is completed, always start the coloring from upside down, so that we are keeping our hand here, and the color, if we are starting from downside to up, it will get spoiled. So we have to use one rough paper, plus we are going to start our coloring from upside down. Now slowly we have to start the work. And we have to pay attention there, because these designs are small, and while coloring it should not go out of the outline. Now this part I am making black, you have to pay attention. Now upper side all the triangle we are going to color in a black. In this way we will use our pointed brush to color this upside triangles. Slowly you have to concentrate on the work when you are doing this one. It should not go out, and the sharpness is very important in any design. If the sharpness is not seen, the work will not look beautiful. Now here upside I have given black. The same, now one side, one angle I will leave as it is, and the small part of a triangle again I will make it black. So one black, one white, one black, one white, we are going to keep on going, coloring like this. So it will give a good effect to your work in this way. Now see, this triangle part is completed. Now we will come for the circle. Now see here, this side one circle I will make it black. Slowly I will go round here in this way, and then inside part again the smaller one I will make it black. So one black, one white, one black. The same way all the circles I will complete. I will come for the petal shapes. Now here again one I will give black, one I will keep as it is, one black as it is. The same way slowly I will move my hand in this direction, then downside. First, always when you are coloring this, you are first going to do the outline with the brush, and then you are going to feel the color, so it will be easy and the sharpness will be remain as it is. In this way we will go. If somewhere the design is up and down, you have to cover that one while coloring. You have to keep your attention there, that you have to see the work. If it is gone down while tracing, you are going to cover that one with the brush. So this side is completed. Now we will come for the triangles again. Now here we kept it white, so downside it will start from dark. So first give outline and check that small parts are very more attention you have to pay. Now here small I have given triangle black. I will keep as it is this second one, and then third one I will start. Then third line it will come black in a shading like this. In this way slowly we are going to go see the sharpness of the work. Then again I will leave as it is. Now here I have not drawn the lines. Now you are going to, the lines were not drawn, so we are going to draw extra lines here with the brush directly, or you can draw with the pen for all the work, and you are going to keep as it is, because this part is open and it will not look nice, so we have to cover that one. Now here we have given black color. Now one we will leave as it is, then third one we will take as a black color. In this way slowly we will go see the outline. Now after completing the third one, again fourth one we are going to keep as it is, and the smaller one we are going to color it in a black. In this way this part will be completed. Now we will come for the curved line. The curved line, again this first one it will come black, so you draw the outline first, and then inside you are going to feel the color. Then again second one we will leave as it is, and third one we will give black color. Fourth one we will come, fourth one we are going to leave as it is, and then this small curved line we are going to color that one. As it is like a semicircle, we will color that one. Now come for the petals. Now here total the petals will be black here. This first one will be black totally. Now this mandala art basically they were using for the meditation. They used to draw a design like this in a circle and a midpoint. They used to make a small flower, so that while doing a meditation this was helping for concentration. So after completing this black, we will leave second one as it is, and third one we will color. In this way we will complete the coloring. Now the same way all the columns you are going to color. Now here see here upper side will come same as it is. Now here we are going to leave black. No, upside all the outside triangle it will become black in this way, and then the smaller one, the circle will go, the triangle will go the same for all the design. Now here it will be changed. Now for the petals, now here it came black, so here it will be white, and the second one will be black. Again after completing this one, the same way for this also. Now first if it is black, here it will be white, then black, then white, then black, and then means ulta you are going to go. Got it? The same way for this semicircle also, the petals will be same. Black first wala, the second one you are going to keep as it is, and third wala it will become a black. So you are going to complete all this in a same method. Like this we are going to complete our coloring, and our mandala art will look like this, in this way. So while coloring you have to concentrate on the lines. Slowly you are going to go for the coloring, and wherever it is kept white you are going to keep it white. Where it is given black you are going to use color black. Or you can use, if you are taking a black paper you are going to use white color, or if you want you can use brown color also for this one. But all the work it will be covered in a monochromatic color scheme. Now this work you can hang on the wall, and you can see that you can sit for the meditation and concentrate on the midpoint here. You will get an effect of that work. So complete it, and thank you, and focus on the work.